right, look at those cool purple lights right there. We are at the Inn at Middletown in Middletown, Connecticut. And we're gonna do a full hotel tour. There's the front desk. There's some public restrooms over here. Fireplace. There's Tavern at the Armory right there. I just had some New England clam chowder and some, what's it called there? Flourless chocolate cake, and it was delicious. Gonna walk down this hallway right here and take these elevators down. To check out the fitness center and the pool. This one is broken, but they are, as you can tell, they are Otis Series 1. This hotel opened in 1810. This hotel opened in 1810. For some, what was I saying? This hotel opened in 1810. I believe these are from 2003 when the hotel reopened after being renovated. Here it is. Oh, are you going down? Yeah. I'll get the next one. Sorry. Get a look at the artwork while I'm doing that. Let's call it back up. Sorry about that. I just didn't want to get that guy on camera. Here it is. Going down. LL. Close it up. There's some Tavern at the Armory advertisements. Hello. Here we are at LL. We're going to send that up to 5. You also have some guest rooms down here. And here's the machine room. Let's listen to that first. Awesome. Here's the pool. Let's see if I need my room card. Hours 6 to 10. Yeah, I do. So yeah, here's the pool. No lifeguard on duty, but it's a 5-foot. And this is a hot tub over here, I believe. You got some deck chairs as well as some outdoor furniture, and it's heated too. Here are the rules. Pause if you want to read them. Now we'll go check out the fitness center, if I can find it. You have some water fountains over there. Restroom and showers. I believe they're down here. The fitness center is down here, I believe. Here it is. There's that. And you also have some meeting rooms over here. They are probably locked. Yeah, they are. But here's the gym, fitness center. I don't know if I can get in. Yep. Got a TV. A clock. There are the rules. Pause if you want to read them. You got a stair stepper, I believe, exercise bike, some towels, a treadmill, elliptical, and you have some weights here that range from 3 pounds to 50. Here's another weightlifting machine and a weight bench, elliptical, and 2 treadmills with an exercise ball. And here you have a mirror where you can watch all that fat burn away. Hello. And you also have a water cooler in here with a TV. And also a scale. Hello. Here are the elevators again. Let's go up. Because I want to show you something on 2. Because let's take a quick ride on these things, on this thing. That one's broke. That's the one that's broken, unfortunately. Here's an LL floor evacuation plan. Here's the elevator. Let's close the doors first if we can, so you can hear the startup. 5. Now let's go down to 2 and check out the room. Here's the lantern. Let's go down to 2. Get a cab view. It's a very nice elevator. Like I said, I believe these were installed in 2003. Here we are at 2. Watch the button go out. And it looks like someone called it upstairs. Otis interlock. Check this out. You have some public restrooms, water fountains, and a spiral staircase leading from the lobby. Now, let's go check out the room. I am in room 221. As I was saying, I am in room 221. Let's turn off the TV while I'm doing this for copyright purposes. But as you walk in, over here is a standard king bed with a TV, desk, couch, easy chair, I guess, with 2 nightstands. In here is the bathroom. Hello. Where you have some dispensable hand wash and lotion, as well as some shampoo, body wash, and conditioner in this shower. Some nice artwork. Really like this lighting in here. In here is a closet. My cousin's getting married tomorrow, so that's why I have a suit in there. And out here, you have a good look at a parking lot with a nice building out there. Out there is one of the state routes, if my phone will focus on it. But yeah. Highly recommend this hotel in historic downtown Middletown, Connecticut. It's called the Inn at Middletown. And that is going to be it.